From AccuWeather.com, this is AccuWeather Daily, a brief host-read article. It's weather news in a nutshell. AccuWeather tropical experts are monitoring 3 areas very closely for tropical development in the Atlantic basin heading into the last couple of weeks of July. In a setup similar to the early part of this month that led to the formation of Tropical Storm Chantal, a stalling front is expected to move towards the southeast coast and into the warm waters of the Gulf, which could be enough to generate tropical activity. Tropical Storm Chantal, which formed late on Independence Day, formed in response to a stalled front and a weak dip in the jet stream. Chantal would later make landfall early on the 6th and brought heavy rain and flooding to parts of the Carolinas. Locations in North Carolina, such as Chapel Hill, received almost a month's worth of rainfall in just a day. While the front is expected to be weak and the jet stream not as pronounced compared to the setup from earlier in the month, shear in the region is anticipated to be weaker. In turn, there is a medium risk for tropical development from the 15th through the 17th. Now, regardless of development, an increase in showers and thunderstorms can occur from the Carolinas into Florida and along parts of the Gulf Coast, which can lead to localized flooding. Rough surf and rip currents can also occur. AccuWeather tropical experts are also monitoring another low risk for tropical development north of Bermuda. AccuWeather lead hurricane expert Alex De Silva said that the slow-moving cold front has the potential to lead to development north of Bermuda. Sea surface temperatures are cooler north of Bermuda, and as a result, anything that develops would likely be subtropical. Now, regardless of development, no impacts to land are expected. Elsewhere across the Atlantic, the window for tropical activity through the middle of July will be largely dormant. Vast areas of dust from the Sahara Desert, as well as disruptive winds, can be the main factors inhibiting any additional areas of development. Now, this season's Atlantic hurricane season has been off to a relatively fast start with 3 named storms. The historical average for formation of the 3rd tropical storm is early August. Meanwhile, the average date for the first hurricane is August 11th. AccuWeather meteorologists are warning that just over a week after deadly flooding devastated parts of Texas Hill Country, a life-threatening flash flooding threat is expected across parts of northern and central Texas. A front that crossed over the southern Rockies and southern plains has stalled over the region, setting the stage for widespread thunderstorms from Texas to Arkansas. Many of the thunderstorms will be slow-moving, which can dump several inches of rain in a short period of time. Much of the ground remains saturated in Texas, especially where the significant flooding occurred in Texas Hill Country, which will exacerbate flooding concerns throughout the day. Individuals are urged to have many ways to receive flood-related watches and warnings throughout the course of the day. And residents and visitors should make a plan and be aware of the quickest means to get to higher ground should flash flooding occur. It is important to know the difference between a flash flood watch and a flash flood warning. A watch means that weather conditions are conducive for flash flooding, while a warning means that flash flooding is imminent at the location specified and actions should be immediately taken to move to higher ground. Portions of Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas are forecast by AccuWeather to measure at least 2 inches of rain. The area most at risk for multiple inches will be where the most numerous rounds of thunderstorms occur from parts of Texas into Oklahoma, where the AccuWeather local storm max of 14 inches could occur. Across Texas Hill Country, as much as 4 to 8 inches of rain could occur from thunderstorms that cross the area. Along with the flash flooding threat, thunderstorms could be severe across portions of the region on Sunday. Other hazards, including hail and localized damaging winds, could occur in any severe thunderstorm. That's all for now. You can find more regional forecasts and science-based articles at AccuWeather.com. And for your local forecast at your fingertips, download the AccuWeather app. Enjoy the rest of your day, be safe, I'll be back tomorrow with more from AccuWeather.